Inline fan wiring starts with the exact control architecture, not a copied color diagram. Identify the fan model, supply voltage and frequency, motor type, terminal functions, and the exact switch, timer, humidistat, relay, or controller. Similar labels can mean different things across products and regions. Fixed wiring may require a permit and a qualified or licensed electrician. At concept level, a simple switch interrupts an approved supply or command path. A run-on timer may need permanent power plus a separate trigger so the fan continues after the trigger disappears. A humidistat may operate a rated relay, powered output, or low-voltage input. An EC fan can keep constant mains while a dry contact, analog signal, or communication command requests operation. Keep conceptual signal flow separate from physical conductors. Do not assume black, brown, blue, white, or any other color defines function. Existing conductors can be re-identified, repurposed, or simply wrong. Trace the exact circuit and verify the terminal diagram in a safe state. Never borrow a neutral from another circuit or use protective ground as neutral. Control every source before opening an enclosure. A timer or humidistat can start the fan automatically, and permanent supply can remain when a wall switch is off. Shared circuits, remote relays, control supplies, and connected equipment can add energy. A dark indicator and stopped rotor are not isolation. Follow the approved de-energization, lockout, restart prevention, and absence of voltage procedure. Absence of voltage must be established by a qualified person with correctly rated test equipment, leads, protective equipment, and the recognized verification sequence. The public concept does not show exposed energized terminals, live back probing, breaker panel work, or improvised test leads. Every physical connection remains model-specific, de-energized, enclosed, and subject to local rules. Match the controller to the actual motor load and control method. A lighting or resistive load faceplate rating does not prove suitability for motor inrush, power factor, switching transients, or EC electronics. Some solid-state controls leak a small current or need a neutral, causing hum, pulsing, ghost rotation, failed starts, overheating, or damage when incompatible. Separate voltage classes. Mains, low voltage or class 2 sensors, 0 to 10 volt signals, PWM, dry contacts, and communications may share one enclosure but require correct insulation and segregation. COM can mean relay common, signal reference, or supply common. It does not universally mean neutral. Never apply mains to a terminal until its voltage class and source behavior are verified. Multi-speed and EC inputs need the exact truth table. Some motors prohibit simultaneous energization of multiple speed leads. Some EC controls source of voltage, others expect an external source or voltage-free contact. Generic parallel wiring can backfeed or damage windings and electronics. Use the specified interlock, contactor, or interface instead of inventing a shortcut. Preserve grounding, bonding, cable and enclosure integrity. Verify conductor ampacity and temperature class, overcurrent protection, box fill, strain relief, bushings, accessible covers, and separation from sharp, hot, or moving parts. Wet or bathroom locations add product, zone, ingress, and protective device requirements. Never leave an open energized box in a humid space. Humidistat performance is a sequence, not one universal relative humidity number. Sensor placement, calibration, hysteresis, minimum on and off times, seasonal ambient humidity, manual override, and baseline ventilation all matter. A humidistat can command a fan but does not prove required airflow. Use project and product requirements rather than copying a threshold or delay. Define timer and override behavior for trigger removal, power loss and restoration, sensor failure, manual demand, and any building or fire control interface. Avoid unintended continuous operation and loss of required ventilation. Do not bypass safety controls to imitate a simple residential diagram. Automatic restart must be documented, expected, and tested with covers and guards restored. Commission both electrical integrity and ventilation delivery. Verify enclosure, grounding, strain relief, switching, timer run-on, humidity demand, manual override, delays, restart and fail behavior. Then confirm fan direction, airflow and pressure, noise, vibration, and required ventilation rate using approved methods. A motor that starts is only one observation, not proof of safe wiring or adequate ventilation.